Hi, and welcome to Soul Elevation. I created this channel as a sacred space for anyone seeking peace, growth, and transformation. Here, I'll be sharing positive affirmations to help you build confidence, self-love, and abundance. Guided meditations for deep healing and inner peace. Manifestation practices and the law of attraction to align with your dream life, and spiritual wisdom to help raise your vibration and elevate your soul. If you're ready to begin this journey of higher consciousness and inner transformation, I invite you to subscribe and become part of this growing soul family. Together, let's rise.